Hi everybody, I am in San Marino, which is actually a separate country within the borders of Italy. Our oldest daughter Luca is currently participating in an international soccer tournament in Rimini, which is about 20 minutes away from here. Last time I spoke with you, I mentioned that we're looking at marketing agencies in order to help us with our rebranding. I got the sense that when we speak with restaurants and investors and industry experts out there, that our current logo and branding just doesn't reflect the level of expertise and credibility that we bring to the table. The website is something I just threw together in a week when we first launched this business. After speaking with several different marketing agencies, we got quotes in the ranges of $10,000 up to $60,000. And some of them we were really impressed with. I think they really could help us. But at the end of the day, internally, we had a little huddle and we said, you know what? Maybe this isn't the way we want to be spending $10,000 to $60,000 right now at this stage of the business. So let's get scrappy. Let's use a company called 99 Designs and get a bunch of proposals for a new logo, and then we'll just use that and update our website on our own. We think that between us we can make it look a lot more professional and be more careful about how we're spending our money right now. So just thought I'd share that little update with you, and hope you're all doing well. I hope to reveal our new logo and website in the coming weeks. Bye everyone.